Let's grill up some meats, y'all. This was for my birthday, and my friends over at Texas Day Brazil sent over a big old box from their butcher shop of all kinds of awesome cuts. We've got Brazilian sausage, picanha, sirloin flap steak, tomahawks, you name it, we've got it. We're getting our fire started with that cutting edge firewood, prepping our pineapples for some smoke. It's time to start prepping the meat. I've got the tomahawk that I'm going to go ahead and pat dry, hitting it with Meat Church Holy Cow on all sides. We're going to drill a hole, hang it, and let it get some smoke while we're prepping everything else. We've got our picanha here. We're going to hit it with Texas Day Brazil spicy rub. Y'all, this has a great kick, awesome flavor. Getting everything on indirect heat for a bit just to get some of that smoke flavor. We've got some Brazilian sausage on there. Sirloin flap meat that we are going on with the spicy rub as well, and the Holy Cow. We've got onions and peppers going on. We've got some provolone cheese melting, and we're just going to keep flipping. Looking for an internal 130 on each of these. Using a little fresh herb asado seasoning on these as well. As our steak started getting about 115 or so, we started going to direct heat over the fire. Just keep flipping until we get a good, nice 130 internal. Got some tortillas down, y'all. This was so much fun. Let's cut into that tomahawk ribeye, and it's a perfect medium rare for us. We love the way this one turned out. So tasty. We've got the flap steak. We've got the sirloin with the spicy Texas Day Brazil rub. Y'all, this was absolutely incredible. Go check out their butcher shop. Get everything you need for an awesome grill out like this. Let's go.